Hey Dan, this is me. I wanted to make this little video for you to show you something. Um, the thing is, I just got back from doing my juggling practice, the 500, and I decided to change the practice just a little bit, and I thought you'd find it interesting. If you've seen the video that I sent you on the soroban, the abacus, Japanese abacus. You'll know what it is that I'm talking about already just a little bit. But I decided to take the approach that you were talking about, where you juggle and you don't get any points if you drop, but you're able to bank away to your nearest 10. And that's what I was doing yesterday with Keaton's soroban. This is a child's one. It only goes to 100. So yesterday what I did was I just counted, like this was 10, 20, 30, 40, but that's not how this works. This is 10 and this is 20, 30, 40, and on down to 100. So what I did today that was different from what you suggested, and I think actually better if you're using this, is as long as you catch it, you get to keep that number. And if you drop it, you don't get anything, just like the other one. But instead of rounding off to the 10, which is an easy thing to count, and that's probably why you did that, was everybody could count by tens. But our brains juggling are already working in a right brain area, and working with the abacus or the soroban is definitely a right brain proven activity. And instead of like a calculator, which maybe Eddie is starting to use now, which we used to worry about, well, in my generation, I'm a little bit older than you, but when calculators came out, I was already in junior high school. And I had already learned all the math. So when we had to do long divisions, we had to write everything, and my mom was really concerned when my little sister, elementary school, started using calculators with them, and she wondered, hey, they're not learning math, they're just learning how to use a calculator. The soroban works, it hits both levels. It's like using a calculator, but because it uses the right side of your brain to visualize these numbers in how the numbers relate with each other. For instance, if I have, say, we'll put it down here. Okay, we start from this side. Say I have 25. Here's 10, here's 20, and now I'm going to put 5. You can easily see right here by looking here that there's 25. But, you can easily look on the other side here, and you can easily see that there's, here we go, there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. Well, your mind after a while starts working with this, and it starts remembering this. You don't have to count this. It's like, that's 75. This is 25. And so I went at the practice today like this. Catch, if I can, say it's 16, or it's 26, or it's 32. Put it down here and immediately look at, okay, I caught 16. Here we go. And 16, there we go, 16. And I know the 6 because I have to leave a 4. So I have 16. I can look at this. That's 16. And I can immediately look at this other side and look at it and go, okay, so, and I'm not used to looking at that. My brain doesn't usually work in numbers, but I can see this. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 84. That's my next target. That's what I'm going to try to hit. So I try to get to 84. That's my target. I'm going to try to hit 84 with no drops. I probably won't make it, but if I can catch it, then it moves it down again. And then I move it. Okay, I got 25. Okay, so I got, here's 20, and 10, 20. Here's 24. 25. I can easily look at that and I see I've got 41. I got 41 catches. Good. Oh, that means I now have 59 to go. I think I can do that. So this is really cool because I decided I'm going to learn this anyway. I'm going to get the little small one, which I can go on up. But so today, as I did it, I just kept clearing. When I had 100, I kept going until I had 500 to clear it and set it back again and do it. This is really kind of cool because it engages the brain in a very visual manner. And starts sharpening your brain in the right brain area. Who knows, maybe pretty soon I'll be seeing the balls flying in the air as these little beads. Kind of the same color. Take care, Dan. Take care.